Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial or another session on Django. So you're learning Django along with DevK Learner. So today I'm not going to take you into much part of the Django. Till now I've been working on the notepad by going to the command prompts and putting the other things there. But from today I have downloaded PyCharm. And in PyCharm, we have two editions. One is professional, which is charged, and the other one is community one, which is free and open source. So I've installed the one which is free, which is from community. And this is the project that we are working on. So very simply, what I've done is I've gone into the file open, and I've opened this project for us. So this is demo one sample. And in order to run it, I can still go here in the run and try to run it, or I can press shift. In fact, this one. So I can run it from here, or I can run it alt shift F10. So let's just run it as the way it is now. So edit the configuration, we are saying fine, and I'll click on run. So there we get it, and once I click it, it should open the browser for me, but it is giving me an error. The error is because remember we were using views earlier and the URLs. So this is where the view and the URL is working. So I will stop this from running by pressing Ctrl+C. And then I just want to check another thing as edit configuration. So it's talking about template sample 1, and this is the script which is running. Okay, so this is how you can write down the script and you can run on it. The other thing is that you can even open up view. Sorry. Yeah, in the view you can go to tool window, and then you can open up the terminal. That's where it will show you the commands, or you can type in your own commands as well. So this was simple tutorial in which I've installed that I've been working on PyCharm, and then in PyCharm, sorry, not PyCharm, PyCharm, and then I've opened the project here. So I've opened my project that I've created, which is demo one sample one. That's what it is showing me, with an app called my demo one. So with that, I come to the end of this small video on Django with PyCharm. So I thank you. I thank you for listening and learning with me. I hope we have moved a bit forward in our learning. To contact me, write in YouTube comments or email to devklearner@gmail.com. Bye-bye.